President Ramnath Kovind on February 24th inaugurated the world's largest cricket arena, the refurbished Sardar Patel Stadium, which will now be known as Narendra Modi Stadium, renamed after the country's Prime Minister. Motera Stadium is the largest cricket stadium in the world and the second largest stadium overall with a seating capacity of 1.10 lakh spectators. The stadium will be hosting the third test match between India and England. The Sardar Patel Stadium had been established in the year 1982 with a seating capacity of 45,000. It was on this ground where Sunil Gavaskar became the first player in the cricket history to enter a unique club of 10,000 test runs against Pakistan in the year 1986. And the legendary Indian player Kapil Dev claimed his 432nd wicket on this ground when he went past New Zealand's Sir Richard Hadlee as the Test cricket's highest wicket taker. And it was on this ground in the year 2011 MS Dhoni led team had stopped Australia from making into their 5th ODI World Cup semi-finals in a row when it defeated the Aussies in the 2011 Cricket World Cup quarter-finals. And now for the third test between India and England, Ishant Sharma is all set to play his 100th test on this majestic ground. The renovation work in the stadium started in December 2016 and was completed in February 2020. The estimated cost to rebuild the stadium was around 800 crores. There are as many as 6 indoor pitches with bowling machines spread over an area of 63 acres. This is in addition to the outdoor practice pitches and 2 practice grounds with a small pavilion area. Apart from that, it also has an Olympic-sized swimming pool, 76 corporate boxes, 50 rooms, 4 dressing rooms and a parking area which can hold up to 3,000 cars and 10,000 bikes. After the world's largest statue, the Statue of Unity, Gujarat now holds a new record of housing the world's largest cricket stadium. The stadium was constructed by L&T Company, which also built the Statue of Unity. Even though the venue has a capacity of 1.10 lakh people, but due to the COVID-19 protocol, only 55,000 fans will be allowed to watch a test match between India and England. Motera Stadium is now officially the world's largest cricket stadium, surpassing the Melbourne Cricket Ground in Australia. This is also the second largest stadium in the world by capacity after North Korea's Ranggrado 1st of May Stadium, which can host 150,000 people. In India, only the Eden Gardens with a capacity of 80,000 comes close. Exactly a year ago, on February 24, 2020, former US President Donald Trump at a program called Namaste Trump had inaugurated the Motera Stadium with PM Modi.